Hi, I'm Jay Adams with Classic Kitchens, Etc. Join me on this 1915 addition and remodel home restoration. Today we're looking at the plans here and going to be showing you a little bit about what the house was and what it's going to become. So this house was built in 1915. It was originally 936 square feet. We are going to be adding 259 square feet to the main house and another 126 to the back house. There's a garage with an office, and we'll be adding some square footage onto that too. So it was 936, now it's going to become 1321. Quite an extra bit of space for this family, and we are going to be basically taking half the house and moving it out about 10 feet. And then same thing with the garage, which is a detached garage. We're going to be adding 8 feet onto the garage. So you can see this is the existing, and then this is everything we have to add on. So right now the roof goes like this. We have to change the height and put a new roof on. And then let me show you the garage area. Now this area in the garage, this is the existing structure right here. It's got a single carport right here and then an office. When we're all done, it's going to have 2-car garage, and they still get to keep their office, and we're doing some really cool built-in stuff, cabinetry in here, so that's going to be really fun. So we're putting the foundation in right now. So all these trenches are dug for the footings, and we're what's called forming the footings. So that's where you put some boards up so that it holds the mud. And here we are again. This is the foundation plan. This is what we're working on now. So we have all these trenches dug right here, which I'm going to show you in a moment, and we're forming it in right now. And then these are going to be very interesting because now the load's shifting on the house. You know, this existing stem wall right here is not going to be taking any more. Well, it's going to have some weight on it, but the majority of the weight's going to get shifted to the end wall. You know, this is all beefed up, but we also have to beef up underneath the house. So we got to put these footings underneath the existing house, right? That's here right now, and then attach that to the existing structure so that it can take all this extra weight of the roof line and everything like that. So it's a pretty fun build. So let me show you guys. And the back deck area is going to have to be rebuilt a little bit. Now this is existing. You can see here where we have it torn up to put in the new foundation, and then obviously we're going to have new structure over there. This will have to be patched in, and then we'll have to kind of just blend it into the existing deck. Now another thing that's going to be interesting on this is I got to rent a crane to drop in this tub once we cut out this hole. This is basically where the spa is going to go once it's done, but we're going to recess it into the deck. So we're going to cut all that out. We're going to pipe it and energize it, and then we are going to take a crane and drop it in and then hook it all up. This is the extension to the main house. We have the forms for the footing going in right now. We just cut the deck off just enough. You know, we're trying to save as much as possible, but we had to take it off at least this far so we could form it and then pour the concrete for the footings. And this all gets tied into the existing stem wall to the house and to the other side there as well. We're going to try to build pretty much the whole exterior of this house before we tear apart this existing wall. That way our homeowners can stay living in the house without being disturbed for as long as possible. So we want to try to get as much of this built as possible before we have to kick them out of their house for, you know, a certain amount of time. This is a few months project. You know, this is going to take at least 4 months. We want to try to keep them in the house for as long as possible. You know, maybe for the last 6-7 weeks, then they'll have to stay at a neighbor's house. Here is the garage. Now again, this is a single car garage with a little office here. This is all going to be coming out. And as you can see, this is the footing here. So this is going to be the new structure once it's all said and done. We steal a little bit of that room, but not a whole lot. So basically this becomes the new office, and then this is now a full 2-car garage. It was a 1-car garage with a carport. So we have a little pad over here for an entry, steps into the garage. So the foundation will end up being a little bit taller than ground level. So let me show you what we're going to do on the back of the garage. We have a gas meter right here that's in the way of the new build, so this needs to be relocated. We're gonna shift it over to the side of the house. And this is basically just that extension of the footing that I showed you, or the trench for the footing that I showed you on the other part of the garage. So this is the other part underneath the fence. We're trying to keep the fence up as best we can, so we keep the backyard as private as we can through this build. Now that we have the sheathing done on the exterior of the garage, we will start to put the windows and doors in, and then next is the siding. Attached to the garage, an office was designed. So we do have a rough electrical in right now, and let me show you that. We added a sub panel for the garage. We also put some outlets all around the garage, and here is the switch box that's going to control some of the outlets that we put in the rafters, just in case they ever want to upgrade to lights in the rafters. We're not putting lights because this is going to be used as a garage, but if they ever want to convert it into something else, we put some outlets up in the rafters so that way they can plug in some fluorescent lighting. We also have an interior lamp and then exterior lights as well. Let me show you the office. We have a 240 volt wall mounted air conditioner. Now the 240 is a really nice upgrade over your standard 120 volt air conditioning system. So this will cool down the room very, very fast. It's rated for a room that's twice this size. So this will be really nice to have. We have a custom desk system that's gonna go in the back wall here with some bookshelves that are all custom made that are gonna go on this side wall. And lastly, we have recessed lighting to illuminate the space. And here's the new front elevation of the house. You can see that we rebuilt the porch and added a front window. We also added another gable to the roof. This changes the front elevation and also the roof line. Now, we originally were only going to be rebuilding part of the roof, but it ended up where we had to rebuild the entire roof. It ended up working out. We did a whole new roof. We also, so we got to pick a new roof shingle color, which was nice. And we went with this charcoal color, and it really offsets the green color that we picked for the front. We also had to do new venting around the roof. And as you can see on the left side there's 2 added solar tubes that we did. So you can get some natural light inside the house. On the back of the house, the roof got a little bit taller. We added 2 new windows on the back of the house. That patio door is existing. We added a light above the patio door and reinstalled the patio cover. It is a retractable awning. You can kind of see a little peekaboo of the new fence around the side of the house. We also had to bring in a crane to drop in that new tub. Or new spa, and we rebuilt the deck. On the garage, we added another roof line there as well for the office. Added some lights, a new back window and a new door, along with the new fence and some concrete walkways around the space. I really like the way that it turned out with the color contrasting, the door, the gable vents. They have the brown accented with the white, and the green siding.
Part of the home remodel project included rebuilding this garage. We added a new roof on the entire garage. We actually topped out an office off the side of the garage about 10 feet from the existing garage. So for this office space, we did some custom built-in bookshelves and a countertop. It looks like they added temporary countertop here. So yeah, they got all their books in here. So they're both professors. So when they teach, they got a nice backdrop. Look smart. They are smart. We got, they hired me, so they gotta be smart, right? Oh, we also installed a new door, obviously. This is all additional space to the garage that we added on.
All right, and that was the last episode for this Master Suite Addition and Home Remodel. If you missed any of the previous videos, make sure to check them out so you can see all the different interior spaces we remodeled in this home addition and all the extra space we added for this family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And so I want to show, yeah, we're going to be showing you this build. I want you to come on this build journey with me. Build journey? I want you to come on this journey with me. No. I want you to, what do I want you to do? Sit back and relax.
Join me.
There you go.
No, we're good.
No, I think we're good.
They're both gone, right?
Yeah, they're at work. And so, oh no, we're good. Do you have any apple pie?
No, but I got water.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
So the neighbors are nice.
Yeah, neighbors are really nice. So, the one thing I like about this build is the neighbors. Hi, I'm Jay Adams with Classic Kitchens, Etc. And I want you to join me. No, what? You said it. You said it. What was it? Just join me. Yeah. Cars keep driving by. So welcome. Yeah. Yeah. So. All right. Spur some cuts to your pans through this dialogue. Yeah.
Okay.
We rolling?
Yep.
Okay. So I always start off with okay. So.
I always cut it out.
Oh, okay, good. I'll try to work on that. So, no. So we, oh my God. All right. In this office space, we have a, obviously, well, cut out that part where I said we can't get in here, because now we can. Okay, what was that? To see the whatever. I don't even remember what it was. Oh man, come on.
Because she's going to edit it together.
She can, she's good. You're good, right? You got this.
She's great, but also
Boom.
17 videos for one outro.
And that was the last episode in this.
You had it! You literally were saying it!
Okay.
We'll get an export marker.
No, I got it. I just have to visualize it. Visualize and attack. So stupid. I know, but then I'm trying to, okay, anyway. I'm trying to concentrate here over there. Doing the leopard attack. Okay. All right. I already forgot what I was supposed to say. That was the last. It's actually funnier that you're hiding now.
No! Okay, fine.
Just, yeah. There's, we just gotta, okay. Dance like nobody's watching. All right. Okay, that's like 2 cuts, I think.
You did.
That's good.
I'm proud of you.
Deuces.